Understanding the National Day Parade. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that you might come across when learning English, especially when exploring cultural and national events. We're talking about the National Day Parade. This phrase carries a lot of significance and history, and today, we'll unravel its meaning and importance. So, let's get started and make learning fun and informative. First things first, let's break down the phrase, National Day Parade, by understanding what a National Day is. A national day is a designated date on which celebrations mark the nationhood of a country. This can be the day when a country gained independence, a significant national event, or the birthday of a monarch. It's a day filled with pride, patriotism, and a lot of national spirit. Countries all around the world celebrate their National Day with various events, and one of the most common and grand ways to celebrate it is through a parade. Now, let's talk about the second part of our phrase, parade. A parade is a large public procession, usually organized along a street, celebrating a special day or event. It often includes bands, floats, and sometimes military units, showcasing the country's cultural heritage, achievements, and unity. Parades are not just about the display. They are about bringing people together, creating a sense of community, and celebrating collective achievements and history. Combining the two, a National Day Parade is a grand public event that celebrates a country's national day through a street procession. It's a day when the nation's achievements, culture, and history are paraded in front of the public and the world. It embodies the nation's pride and brings together its people in a festive and patriotic atmosphere. The National Day Parade can be a spectacular sight, with elaborate floats, marching bands, military displays, and sometimes aerial shows. The National Day Parade is more than just an event. It's a powerful expression of national identity and unity. It's an opportunity for citizens to come together, irrespective of their differences, and celebrate what makes their country unique and special. It also plays a crucial role in educating the younger generation about their nation's history and instilling a sense of pride and responsibility towards their country. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the meaning and significance of the National Day Parade. I hope this video has not only helped you understand this term better but also given you a glimpse into the rich tapestry of culture and patriotism that binds nations together. Remember, language learning is not just about words. It's about connecting with cultures, histories, and hearts. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in our next video adventure.